Hey guys, get ready for me to go to ikea. So I got my pads. I just spilled it, that's what I meant. Okay, that's... Why do I always forget to put my headband on? Please. I have my bubble. He's strong and he's handsome. Just ignore. Why isn't it going on? Oh my god. We're not giving a call over, so yeah. Well. Still got spots on me. I don't think I'm going to be doing a title today. No. Sorry about talking to myself. I just like talking to myself sometimes. That's that. Key to kill. There we go. That's so good. As I said, I don't have much skincare because I just let my dad and the other get ready with me. But yeah, let's go brush my teeth. Ooh.
Are you ready? Have you done it yet?
So yeah, that's my mum. Yeah. I forgot I popped my squishy ball, the squishy pop. It's gonna run out in a bit, but yeah. It's actually about to finish, so bye guys.